If you're looking for AI software, check this one out. Anyword. It's pretty awesome. This stuff will tell you, if you look right here, it's going to tell you your score if the stuff is good. You link this stuff uh, to your website. Let's just go over it real quick. I mean, this is some good software. I think it's better than Chat GPT myself, personally. Um, it's the latest AI model. You can look right here in the world, don't know what will work for your marketing. This connects to your website. Let's look right here. It connects to your website, social media, email, and ad channels to Anyword. I'm telling you, Anyword, it's the stuff. You know, it's trusted by some major people, marketers, and how Anyword works is you can your brand the Anyword learns what works for your marketing by analyzing every piece of copy you've ever published on your website, ads, social, and email channels. This stuff goes out, analyze. Now, picture this: gets out and analyze your website, all your social media, your stuff that you've been pushing out, your email list. It's analyzing all that. It's going to tell you the score, what's working and what's not working if you don't already know. So just in your brand, you can define and approve your brand voice. You know, you can tell it, you can give it rules, you know, and you show me an AI tool that does this other than Anyword. Define your brand rules and manage all messages, tone of voice. So in other words, if you're looking for something soft, if you want something maybe bold, that kind of stuff, or I guess you could say pushy, not pushy, that kind of stuff. Tone of your voice, target audience in one place to ensure brand approval, copy generation. I mean, you can't do no better than Anyword. I promise you. You know, create custom AI models training on your performance and data brand. You know, this going to give you a score. Then, if your stuff's good or not, I mean, then it's going to help you fix it. I'm telling you, this stuff is awesome. You have to check it out. You know, it's going to tell you, your goals, your channel audience. It's going to give you everything. You need to check it out. You get a 7-day trial, and if you don't love it, then don't use it. But I promise you, you will love it. You know, it's just look, all 5 stars. You know, marketers using Anyword, they see a 30% lift in business results. Think about that. 30%. That's a lot. Could you use 30% more business? Think about it. 30% more traffic, more business, more people clicking your links on your website, 30% more. Think about that. 30% more. That's game changing. That's putting money in your pocket, by one piece of software. Pricing, it's not that bad. You get the starter model, right here, $39 a month. And you can also do it by the year. I always highly recommend you look at stuff by the year. If you're looking to compare, you can kind of look right here on what you get. Seats. I mean, if it's just you, yeah, you may not need a bunch of other stuff. It just kind of really depends on your needs, on which plan you want. I would try to go for, instead of paying monthly, just pay by the year. You got 30 different languages, so if you're trying to do stuff overseas, they can do it. Um, you just need to check this software out. Take it for a test run. You got 7 days. Just look at everything. You know, the bigger one. Of course, you got 2 rules. You can have 20 rules. If you go for the big boy, you can have unlimited. SEO. You know, everybody wants SEO because that's what Google's looking for. Everybody's looking for that. You know, so they're all 5 stars, all 5 stars. So you can look at their products. If you pay yearly, you'll save 20%. If you do monthly, you pay a little more. Always pay by the year when you're dealing with software. Always. Doesn't matter. Subscription, whatever it is that you're doing, you want to pay by the year because you get the most bang for your buck. Start your 7-day trial. Just do yourself a favor, and you can thank me later. You can send me comments and say, "Hey, I tried it. It's great. Thank you." And I'll leave the link down in the description. And don't hesitate because you got nothing to lose. Nothing to lose and everything to gain. 30%. Come on, 30% that people's increased their traffic. That's 30% more people to your website or your blog. People clicking on links. Buying stuff. If you run an e-commerce store, you just think about it. That's money in the bank. Money in the bank. It's a great investment. Love the tool. Love the tool. 1 million marketers. Let's look at some of these people. IBM, Red Bull, Marriott, Amazon. Check out that Amazon. They're using it. There you go. But just check out some of the features and stuff. Like I said, every individual is different. I'm not going to go through every one of these, but if you're on a budget, you may want to start with a starter. First do the 7-day free trial because I guarantee you're going to want it because it's a no-brainer, especially when if you're struggling with your business now and you need that extra help. But just take a look. Don't forget to check out the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share. Hit that little bell icon so you get all of my notifications on a weekly and daily basis when I put stuff out. And don't forget to follow me on Pinterest at RiddlesBendMedia. Same thing on TikTok, RiddlesBendMedia. And I'll see you next week because I love putting out these videos for you to help you.